Today, I would like to introduce the small benchtop high-temperature muffle furnace. This is the standard CE-certified lab muffle furnace. The furnace structure mainly consists of three parts: carbon steel air-cooled shell, ceramic fiber chamber, and temperature control system. The furnace chamber capacity is only 1 liter desktop, and the furnace door opens on the side. The mosaic heating rods heated from both sides. The temperature field is uniform, and the maximum temperature could reach 2,700 Celsius degrees. It is an ideal furnace for high-temperature sintering, metal annealing, and quality inspection in colleges and universities, research institutes, and industrial and mining enterprises.
The furnace shell is pickled and phosphated, sprayed with environmentally powder coating, high temperature and corrosion resistance. The chamber material is made of ceramic fiber board, which is precisely cupped by CNC lathes. The heating elements adopt silicon molybdenum rods, which are evenly arranged on the left and the right sides of the chamber wall for a uniform temperature field. Temperature controlling parts: turn on the switch, press and hold the run key with 3 seconds to run the programs. The heating indicator flashes. When heating power, add stable.
Program Firm provides 18 months warranty for our products, free parts supplied, 7/24 hours online support. Customized services could be accepted. Welcome to contact. Thank you.